Martha's Vineyard is just a beautiful, really special place. I love all the natural beauty, and I love the people here too. Everyone's really friendly, and everyone seems to want to go out of their way to help other people. My name's Peterson, and my business is called Catboat Charters. Catboat Charters offers private sailing charters for groups of up to 6 people on an old wooden catboat. Right now we're on the Dolphin. This boat was built in 1893 right on Chappaquiddick here in Edgartown. The sail was inspired by a boat that sailed these waters during the Civil War. There was a catboat called the Cleopatra, and it had a beautiful American flag sail to inspire unity in the country that was torn apart by the Civil War. There were no photos that existed of the Cleopatra because in those days, to take a photo of something, your subject had to be perfectly still. But once the sail is up on a sailboat, it's not still anymore. I read about it in a couple of maritime history books, and I saw some paintings of it as well. Sailing on a catboat is definitely unique. It's not the fastest boat around, but it's a nice, stable, smooth, solid ride. So the catboat is more focused on comfort than speed, and it gives people a chance to just enjoy their time and have nice conversations and not be rocked around too much. There's nothing chaotic or super thrilling about it, but it's just a nice, relaxing way to get around the water. Once we get the sail up, usually we'll turn the motor off. And for people who haven't sailed before, initially they think that something's gone wrong and the motor's stalled out. But in fact, that's the best part about sailing, is just having the diesel engine off, and all you hear is the birds and the water, and it's just a really serene experience. I'm happy to be part of memories such as engagements. We've had 3 small weddings on board. I officiated 2 of them. And last fall we got to sail with the Secretary of State, Antony Blinken. So that was pretty memorable too, working with the Secret Service and the Coast Guard to make sure he had a safe and secure sail. We have a licensing agreement with Vineyard Vines. Shep and Ian are the brothers who own the company, and they were kind enough to approach me and ask if they could print some clothing with the logo, and it's been a great partnership. I'm really proud. And you can get these caps at the Edgartown Vineyard Vines store on Water Street. I love the Chamber of Commerce because it connects businesses around the vineyard and connects people, and they do what they can to support small businesses on the island, which we all really appreciate. We start sailing Memorial Day weekend, and we'll continue sailing until at least the end of September. And then if the weather is still nice in October, we might do a week of sailing in October as well. I always keep a guitar on board, so when guests want to hear a song, usually I'm happy to pull out my guitar and sing a couple songs.
Well, let it rain, let it pour, let it rain a whole lot more, because I got them deep river blues. Let the rain drive right on, let the wind sweep along, because I got them